Panasonic Consumer Electronics issued a recall on April 24, 2003 for approximately 64,000 Panasonic cordless power tool battery packs. This recall was initiated due to a potential hazard where the battery packs could detach from the power tool unexpectedly. This detachment poses a risk to the operator or bystanders, as the dislodged battery pack could strike someone and cause injuries. The affected battery packs were manufactured between May 1, 2001 and November 20, 2002. The model numbers included in the recall are ER9000, 230, ER9136, ER9231, ER9000, 200, ER9106, and ER9201. These model numbers are stamped on the top of the battery pack. The battery packs are identifiable by their black and yellow color scheme. These Panasonic cordless power tool battery packs were sold at home improvement stores, hardware stores, and mail order outlets across the nation. They were available both as part of the Panasonic cordless power tool kit and separately as an accessory pack or replacement battery for the power tools. The cost of the battery packs ranged from $150 to $400 when sold with the kits and from $50 to $100 when sold individually. The battery packs were manufactured in Mexico. If you own a Panasonic cordless power tool battery pack, firstly, immediately discontinue using it if it is one of the recalled models. Secondly, contact Panasonic Consumer Electronics to arrange for the return of the recalled battery pack. Upon returning the affected battery pack, you will receive a free replacement battery pack from Panasonic. To contact Panasonic Consumer Electronics, you can call 800-833.9626 between 9 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. You can also find more information about the recall and the replacement process on the Panasonic website at panasonic.com/cordlesstools. For media inquiries, contact William Pritchard at 200-1348.7000, 182 or Kaylee Farrell at 200-1392.6000, 159. The purpose of this recall is to prevent potential injuries that could occur if a battery pack detaches unexpectedly during use. By taking these steps, you can ensure your safety and receive a replacement battery pack free of charge. Remember to check the model number on your battery pack and contact Panasonic as soon as possible if it is one of the recalled models. The model numbers again are ER9000, 230, ER9136, ER9000, 231, ER9000, 200, ER9106, and ER9201. This recall is a precautionary measure to ensure consumer safety and prevent any potential injuries associated with the use of the affected battery packs.